Hi, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to those of you tuning in for the first time. Welcome back to those of you returning. With the first year now under my belt for creating content and things like that, and just putting myself out there, I want to focus on the things that are working and getting the watch time on my channel. And that continues to be interior design, business management, and studio designer tutorials. So, whether you are just starting out or an industry leader, there's something to be learned on my channel, and there's a process to be implemented that can change your profitability. And if that doesn't get you excited, you're simply just not ready for this conversation, and that is okay. So if you're somebody who works within our industry, whether you're a vendor, an assistant, bookkeeper, office manager, procurement, marketing person, all of the above, you're definitely also going to want to stay tuned because I want to teach you how to be the best support system and really be an integral part of this business to help it grow. Okay, so the information that I'm sharing is really just the tip of the iceberg, and I just want to help and see the majority of businesses grow. That's literally what my business management looks like on my end, and it makes me so excited to be able to share this with the world. So definitely listen up, give me some feedback in the comments or reach out, whatever you feel comfortable, and share this information with a fellow interior designer or architect or somebody from within our industry. I'm excited and want to get it all out there. So thank you so much.